If you want a good gin cocktail, Emerson's probably going to be something you like. It's just going to be a kind of like dry gin, Maraschino Liqueur, and dry vermouth or sweet vermouth, and then lime juice. It's pretty simple overall. Nice color with it, little coupe glass. Overall pretty simple. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm also trying out this new mic, so we'll kind of see how that sounds overall. I'm trying to get rid of this background noise, but overall, let's go ahead and make it and see how it turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, grab a shaker, and then looks like we're going to do 1.5 ounces of gin. Boom, bada bing. Beautiful clear spirit. And we're gonna do 1 ounce of a sweet vermouth. Quarter ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, very small amount, just kind of like a trace of it. You can always add more, it's gonna make it kind of a little bit sweeter. And then we're going to end up doing about 1/2 ounce of lime juice there. Pretty simple overall. Go ahead and put some ice in the shaker, like that, pour it in, and give it a nice little shake. Here you go, nice and easy. Pop that bad boy open. All right, so once you have your coupe glass, all you're gonna do is take a strainer, and you can double strain it or just regular strain it. Double strain it, you can get rid of some of the ice cubes that might come out whenever you pour it. Overall, this looks good. Nice kind of brown orange tint. Then we're just gonna take a maraschino cherry. If I can open this container, let's see. There we go. Boom. See if I can find one. There we go. Pop it through. And then we're gonna let it sit right up there. All right, and there it is. So overall, it's a pretty cocktail. It's gonna have this kind of nice orange brown tint to it. And then you're gonna have those cherries kind of just drop down. If you keep it juicy, it'll kind of flavor it up as you drink more of it. Let's go ahead and try it out, see how it is. I might spill some of this cherry, but let's see. Nice. Typical classic cocktail. Gin is kind of diluted a little bit with a little bit more sweetness. Lime juice kind of elevates the cherry flavor. Overall, very easy. You could drink this. It's classic, very refreshing. So summer day, whatever, it works well. It is nice. You know, the sweet vermouth and the gin play very well together. And it's not overly sweet in my opinion. It's just a nice, not overly strong alcoholic base. You still taste the gin a little bit. Overall, very good, elegant, and if this is at a bar, I'd be very happy to order it. Overall, cocktail selection wise, I'd give it about an 8, maybe like 8.2. I wouldn't be disappointed if I got this. All right, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna be making more of these videos, and I hope to make a lot more. So let me know how you feel. Audio quality should be a little bit better. We'll kind of see how it is and go from there. Have a good one.